guys! So, ayan. Nandito na po ako ngayon. Sir Cookie, shout out. Ayan. I buy the, Sir Cookie. Selecta Rocky Road Ice Cream. Ayan. And thank you, Sir Cookie, for sponsoring this. So, i-open na natin, guys. Saan ka? Ay, ginaganyan na. Ano to, guys? Tag 122 dito sa amin. Ang mahal dito, guys. Kaya, dinagdagan ko na lang, guys. Para malaki na yung pati mga anak ko makakain. Diba? So, ayan. Wow, so yummy, Sir Cookie. Rocky Road Ice Cream Selecta. Yan. Sarap po niya, Sir Cookie. So delicious, Sir Cookie. Ang sarap po. Ayan. Once again, Sis Lauris, thank you pala, Sis Lauris din. And also, Sir Cookie. Ayan. Sarap na po. Kadadam pa yun eh. Binlan man. Ayan. Sarap na pala, guys. Selecta Rocky Road, guys. Thank you, Sir Cookie, for the ice cream. Sana all. And congrats to all winners, guys. sa Selecta ice cream. Ayan. Mahal pala dito sa amin. 120. Dinagdagan ko na lang siya. Sarap, guys. Yummy. Yummy, Sir Cookie, yummy. Thank you very much again. I'm so happy because I'm eating now ice cream. Ang sarap niya, guys. Ayan, guys, thank you very much for watching, and Sir Cookie, thank you very much, Sir Cookie, for this. God bless you more and more, Sir Cookie. Hope soon I will eat again this. Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you for sponsoring, and don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and comment below. Thank you, bye-bye.